Okay, so I'm going to a cool coffee place. So I've got to get on the SkyTrain first. Now the first thing we got to do is we got to buy a ticket. So then you have to figure out where are the machines. You could always buy it over there, but I'm just going to buy it here. And the way to do it is, for me, press English. Where am I going? So you're gonna find your station, and we're going to Prakano. It's gonna be 32 baht. Ticket looks like this. This is the BTS. You're gonna figure out where to go. We're heading down here. And tap and go through to figure out where you are. So you're down there somewhere, and we're going up here towards Kokot. That is the end station, and we're going somewhere in between, like we saw downstairs. That's where we're going, this side. And here comes the train. So there's no wait at all. The trains are running all the time. And we're basically just going to get on here. See here? They have arrows that indicate that we're supposed to wait until people get off. And we do that. There's no one getting off. We're getting off. And we are good to go. So we're just going to walk down here. And again, we're going to have your ticket ready. And that is pretty much it. Then you're going to find your exit and you're good to go.